Question 65. What type of defamation causing injury to the reputation of a person in a permanent form is known as A. Slander, B. Disparagement, C. Libel, and D. Sedition? Answer to this question is C. Defamation is the issuance of a false statement about another person which causes that person to suffer harm. Slander involves the making of defamatory statements by a transitory, non fixed representation, usually an oral spoken representation. Libel involves the making of defamatory statements in a printed or fixed medium, such as a magazine or newspaper.